Are you a new mom embarking on the beautiful journey of breastfeeding your baby? Congratulations! Breastfeeding is not only a special bonding experience but also provides essential nutrients for your baby's growth and development. Here are some ultimate nutrition tips to help you along your breastfeeding journey. First and foremost, it's crucial to stay hydrated. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your milk supply up and aid in your own overall health. Next, focus on eating a well-balanced diet rich in nutrients. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your meals to ensure you're getting all the essential vitamins and minerals needed for both you and your baby. Additionally, consider taking a prenatal vitamin or supplement to fill in any nutritional gaps. Talk to your healthcare provider about which supplements may be beneficial for you during breastfeeding. Lastly, listen to your body. Rest when you need to, and don't forget to treat yourself kindly. Breastfeeding can be demanding, so it's essential to take care of yourself both physically and mentally. Remember, you're doing an amazing job nourishing your little one. Keep up the great work, Mama. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on your breastfeeding journey.